Hi friends, today we are going to solve sorting comparator from the sorting subsection of the interview preparation kit. The given problem states that comparators are used to compare two objects. In this challenge, you will create a comparator and use it to sort an array. The player class is provided in the editor below. It has two fields, name and score. Given an array of in-player objects, write a comparator that sorts them in order of decreasing score. If two or more players have the same score, then sort the player alphabetically by the name. To do this, you must create a checker class that implements comparator interface. Then write an int compare player A and player B method, implementing comparator to compare 101 method in sort, and then sorting in ascending order. A comparator returns -1 if A less than B, 0 if A equal to B, and 1 if A greater than B. This is a very simple solution. So to do this, first let us initialize our variable. So self dot name equal to name, self dot score equal to score, and this representation is not required, so we will just click on pass. And for A and B. So for the first condition, we would be checking if A dot, first we need to check by the score. So if A dot score is greater than B dot score, would be return -1. If A dot score less than B dot score, return 1. If A dot score equal to B dot score, if A dot name equal to B dot. So we would be performing these operations. So in our first case, A greater than B, so it will be returning 1. Name less than B dot name, return -1, and at last else return 0. Looks good. Okay, so if you look at this entire code, you could basically divide it into two parts. The first part is checking whether if the score of A is first is going by to check the score and doing a function and doing returning some value accordingly. But there could be a situation where both the player would have equal score. In that case, it is sorting based upon the name. So this is the basic function. You can read the entire code. You can read the entire problem statement to understand it in a better way. Although the problem statement is a bit confusing for people, but it's the answer to this is pretty straightforward. So let's submit the code. Taking some time, which is happening a lot nowadays. Okay, it's passed all the private test cases successfully. So if you have a better way of solving this problem, then please comment below. I think that would be really helpful. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.